Okay, I'm going to start with the wind damage shingles that I have come across. We'll start on the north facet. Again, these aren't even counting all the crease shingles. In yellow, you'll see everything that has lost the actual fastener, and in orange, all the creases. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Go over here to the next facet. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 3 down there, 23. Come over on the inside east facet. 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, another 2 creases, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 43 and 4 is 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, probably 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, crease here, 83, 84, another crease here, 85, 86, here's 3 unhinged, 89, and there's another crease, 90.